Hey my love, welcome back to the Only Method channel. So we finally have mini twist tutorial. This video is well detailed. Actually, it's my first time making mini twist myself. I normally do mini twist, but I go to the professionals. But this time I said, nah, I'm gonna do it myself. So make sure you watch this video to the end to watch all the steps so that whenever you're gonna make yours, it will be very perfect as mine. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you'll be notified anytime I post tutorials, because I'll be giving you all back to back.
A few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you
I'll put you through all the steps I used to achieve this hair. So firstly you have to part, but watch to the end to see how I parted the back side. I always have a manipulation skill for everything. So I braided out the beginning parts before twisting the other parts. Just watch and see what I did here. That is just to keep the root firm and make the hair stronger so it won't loosen up easily. When you tighten up the root by braiding it, it makes it stronger. Keep watching. At this point I was already done with the first half, and here I'm done with the second half. Please make sure you watch to the end and subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe. One thing you should always do for your natural hair is always sectioning them into parts. When you section them, it is easier to manipulate. When the hair is everywhere, it might be difficult for you to handle. So it's easier and better for you to section them, so you do them one after the other.
I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not for what I want. It's some me time. Hope you do what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I knew you off the shelf.
At this point, I've already forgotten there is something called a cotton comb. I was using my finger to cut out the part of hair I want to twist at a time. So you guys can just watch, do not judge. We listen, we don't judge.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
I was just doing more of feeling. Once I just pat out with my finger, I'll feel it to know if it's still in the same weight, the same pattern. Like I just feel and know if it's still the same way others are feeling in my hands, and then I'll twist out. Because this is the back and I wasn't using the camera and there is no mirror at the moment for me to twist, so I will manage and deal with what I have at this moment.
Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm like, oh, fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what you've done. You used to be out of reach.
Halfway, and I was already very exhausted at that moment. Oh god, I didn't know how to feel. But then I have to finish what I started. Anyways, keep watching and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are yet to subscribe. Tell your sisters, your aunties, your aunts, your grandma, your your nieces, and in fact nephews, because nephews now make mini twists. Guys, Anyone that needs to watch this video, send them to them, share this video to them so they can watch and learn as well and save a whole lot of money making their mini twists themselves. I want you to let me know in the comment section what you learned from this video. Like from this whole video, what did you learn? Just one thing. That's all I need from you. One thing. Remember to share this video to your whole family, everybody that needs to see that, even your neighbors as well. Share this video to everyone because everyone deserves to see this tutorial.
Just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see. Boy, I know where I wanna be. I just wanna know what you're living me.
More emphasis should be on the roots. So once you get the root, then the other parts will be easier for you. Yeah, so the root is supposed to be flatter. Make everything possible. Just try as much as possible to make the root flatter. Then the rest of the twist will come out well. Yeah.
Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out?
Can't still believe I sat down for hours to make this hair. If you have told me this yesterday that I will be doing this, I would have called you a liar. Because while on head, will I be doing this to myself? Oh God, I was so exhausted at this moment. But then, when the result came out, I was so happy that I did this. Let me know what you think in the comment section, if this is a yeah or is a nah. Make sure you comment your thoughts in the comment section because I need to know before making other tutorial videos. If you've always been struggling on how to maintain your hair moisture, make sure you come around on my channel because I'll be dropping a detailed tutorial on how to moisturize your natural hair. See you in my next video. Please make sure you subscribe, send this video, share this video to whosoever you think needs to see this. Bye. Hope you learned something. Let me see you in my next.
I know I get away.